guys, welcome back to another episode of Kim Blog. Guys, this morning I'm back at Somerset. I'm going to some more view of the place. As it reach at work in the early night morning still, so I'm have a look what time is it. Guys, remember Mother's Day is coming up. Don't have a plan though. I want to get mom something nice. Never want she know still, but I now make sure know me I get her still, but in terms of myself, I don't have a plan to be honest. Don't know where I'm going, where I wanna go, where I wanna be. Well, maybe I will be going to church on that day. So stay tuned for all of that. So today when the 30th of the month, you know, say me I start right around the clock there. So yeah, so May 14 is Mother's Day. So yeah. Water level low, as in low. So wish them all the best in getting customers because the river down, we're not getting no water. Basically, no rain now fall, so we're having drought. So, guys, the falls is further up there. So, what guess on now? The gate padlock. The gate not open yet, but now I walk up there, go show you the falls. Guys, look on them jackfruit here, them nice. If you want jackfruit, let me know. The falls are up there, so guys, we don't want to walk up there, but up there lock up, so. I'm not sure what time I get for walk up there yet. Yeah, as soon as the gate pull, I'm going to have a local meeting. So after the meeting done, then I'm going to go pull the gate. So after them pull the gate now, make you walk go down there. So now I go to some, because over here nice, you know, and them dining area. Them dining area are really nice. Yeah. And over here is really big. So for the persons them who love nature, it's for the persons who love nature. So if you realize there's a lot of trees and all of that. Here, water level really low. Some mullets in the water, guys. So them there the fish. Where am I going? That's a hole. Guys, that will lead to me, no know. I'm starting to get scared. There's a caution sign that simply means nobody should enter over that side. Nobody not allowed to go around there. So you see, I'm going to a sneak peek. Yes, guys, so as me I say, Mother's Day, I come up and think I'm going to do something special for mom. I want to get her something. I'm not sure what yet, but I have two little things in mind, though, so I want to get her something. Now I get nothing for myself. If somebody buy me something, fine, but I don't really think for go anywhere or do anything other than just the normal Sunday day setting for me if I dey work or I dey home. Hey guys, I get one call so you kind of disturb my local view over there that go now. Oh, Jesus. I feel tired this guys because I only get day off on last week Sunday. We get day off last week Sunday? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. That's the only day I never work, Sunday last week, so I'm gonna have no day off again until Sunday coming. Yeah, that's how difficult my work is. Cause whenever them not have no person for Sunday, you hear them call me. I say, oh, so can you go there for me? Can you go there? When I say, you know, I'm tired. Please. Them like big please to you see guys. Always a big please. Them pitiful. Yeah guys, so I think me full my belly too much. I'm stop at juicy beef and buy breakfast. So basically that's why I feel so, you know. I eat too much, I'm gonna eat off everything in one patty, one cocoa bread and one juice. Man, you know, long time no see. They are back in their place, man. Everything good. Alright, makes sense, man. Most things. I trying. They say them man that or that, you know. I see rabbit in there, rabbit then nice. If I eat rabbit meat, jerk rabbit. Hey, you can't give me that rabbit there. Eh? Yo. Guys, I don't see him. So right now, just the pool. Pool alone is supposed to work because the water level low. The slider work too? The slider active for today? I don't see it fall down. But I don't rain not fall up. I better pray that me I want to get some rain. Yeah, because a good while now, you know, man. Damn, body I go and look crab. I'm say what you see some people boil crab and put up mess already. Well, 2 minutes. 2 minutes eat there something still. Yeah, I can't eat shell food. Month of May, request crabs. You see you? Not even come look for me and see me about 3 months now. What a dirty man. So what you can swim in, huh? Right, what's up? Hey guys, so you know, I see the look of you. I open a ticket, you know, I'm going now. Which part me live? Call me, find me, say, where is security? They will always come here on Sunday. Eh? You get a number? Hawks, we work at them for me. I'm sure I see them. Yeah, can I say one piece security? I'm not see she come back down here. Any one of them will work with me. And then me never say ask them for number. Me could go tell them say ask. Guys, so I'm gonna preview of the car park. Big parking space, big parking lot if you don't wish to come at Somerset Falls, you see it? But at least some other people them want to fly down and leave from other parishes come to Portland. Yeah, you can't come at Somerset. So you have a whole heap of parking. See, they will have gates. You don't have to worry. The property is safe. Safe. Well, we have a lot of customers today though, so car park kind of empty normally. On a Sunday, car park loaded, fully full. I'm hot and tormented, man. Go to bed now. Yeah, guys, so just remember for always tell a friend, send a friend over to my page. So we all have a lot of banana trees, planting trees, so guys, we're gonna come on down. If you ask, we get it. We can go with a bunch of planting or a bunch of banana. See here we have mango, jelly, guava, apple. Yeah, over here festive bud. I swear, look here. See one for jelly tree them all over there, so nice property now, guys. It's pretty down. The sun out there, look there. And them view there. Sky pretty and nice. On the right of the roadside and I can't miss. Come and up here, people. Yo, Jaja. Oh, MG, I'm tired. Like, seriously want to sleep right now? That's up on sleep. Tired, like, seriously tired. Some fly straight now and make it go each other. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Blessings, guys. Alright, now my tea for Malika bring this car work with me this morning. I just feel snacky because I have lunch. When I work down here, guys, we get lunch for free. So mobile bring you come and work, you don't pay no fare, you get lunch. So yeah, good location though. Pampu. I'm tired, so guys, I'm gonna come now. Go Malika here first. But I'm gonna go bed. Go Malika here first. I'm gonna straight on my bed because I'm tired. Seriously tired. I think I might just take a day off tomorrow because guys, I'm tired. The truth, like really, really tired right now. Yeah, long time like this. I'm exhausted and the day just hot. I'm into feel like I got a river. I just choke off. I just spend the whole day in the water, so I'm home later, I just cool, yo, yeah. Just imagine and summer not fully started because tomorrow the first of May. Tomorrow the first of May. So yeah. Normally May, crab months, you know, say yeah, rain a fall enough. So people them can go look crab, you know. Alone sun, guys. Right now, to go and see them, I'm tired, but tired, I'm tired, seriously tired, guys. I think we need a week break from work just to get some rest, yeah, some of it. And then uniform cluster. I have an outside shirt, underneath shirt. Yo, the pants something. They want can make you skirt, girl, guys. Me no wear skirt. Me no know other part they go. And then we can wear two skirt at work. Oh, that gonna look, oh my, it must feel weird, yo. Bro. Guys, me no wear skirt, period. Me no wear just period, most occasionally. I go to church or me have an interview or something, some kind of event, yeah, me no wear skirt and just period. I didn't grow up like that girl type of girl, I grew up like a boy. Boy, yeah. So all them go something what the boy them do, them something them do, guys. You know, you do the dress and skirt business. So that is some ants up in the tree, yo. Every sit down, you have to pick up and tear a box of ants. When them bite, them swell up skin. Because I'm allergic to insect bites. So like every minute you see them on your white shirt, you have to brush them off. It's serious, man. Real serious, I swear. My eye them big though. My eye them big. I have a nice pair of eyes in there, guys. Dark truth. No, be honest. You what about you know? What come pull out it to me? Because I'm not breathing your smaller guys because yeah, but when I tell people out. Guys, I just be that you're my fun loving person. I love music, I love dancing. Yeah, I mean that. I can't do dance still, but yeah, I mean that. Just guys look like I'm gonna play ball long so see that car down at the far end them sort out themselves for go play ball. Yo, them anti-tormented there, man. So guys, this is where I'm gonna wrap up this evening. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Love you guys always. Keep up the good work, guys, for being there for me. Okay, guys, so some people are check out. Go and count them down one by one so we can go home because we can't go home till the people and clear the park. Can't go home till them clear up the park. So I check what I go on up that side there, no, guys, because right now me want to go home, you see it? And the mango them up on the tree. Oh, what's up? So alright mango from man, no, guys, but man I have nothing for picking mango. Look right this away, this see there? Right this up. I mean I have nothing for picking mango. So basically me have to go home left the mango there. Yeah, so that's that for now, yeah, guys. Go and bless up on yourself and take care always and big up on yourself.